What's up, everybody? John Doe here, and today we got some bad news. The dog that I showed you guys on YouTube died. She was old. Her name was Chapper. She was such a great dog. So many people are like, well, why did you post this? Well, it's my channel. I can do whatever I want. She was just... I really wanted to remember her, that's why. Alright. That dog was about 16 years old. That's how old that dog was. Really great dog. The dog loved everybody. And when I went to go see her, it was bad. She usually she used to go crazy, like when she saw us, and when I saw her the other day, it's bad. I tried maybe seeing if we can get a little bit more strength in her legs by making her walk, and it didn't work. I tried everything. I mean, she was drinking at least. It was bad. And then the neighbor was holding her, and she wouldn't do anything if you hold her. She would just squirm out of your arms, and yeah, I mean, she changed. It wasn't the dog I remember. So yeah, rest in peace, Chapper. I'm sorry that I couldn't save you. So peace out. This has been John Doe. So and yeah, I don't know what to do now. I actually just found out too a few minutes ago, so yeah. Bye.